Hello and welcome back to the Company Interiors channel. My name's Nick Clark. I run a design and build company and we specify acoustic products, natural products such as moss walls and moss frames and all sorts of moss products that we put here on the YouTube channel. So today I'm excited to try and show you some brand new products that have just come to the market which you're gonna love. In the first instance, please click on the link in the description. I want to send you a free sample of the moss that we're using and then you can start to design your own project yourself. So what have we got for you? At the end of this video, I'd also want you to try and subscribe to our channel, click notifications so you're going to keep up to date with all this good stuff. So what have we got? We have got moss walls, wild walls that I'm going to run through in some of these images today, and I'm going to show you some great new things that have come to the market which you've got to get involved with. So we're using now moss products on prefabricated panels. It's making it dead easy to get straight into your installation. So we got this, which is our bun moss, our ball moss that we've shown you in some other videos on the YouTube channel. I'll try and drop a few on the links here. And this is our 3D dune wall. So it's made out of bun moss. It's got great sort of shape to it. As you look at it from the side angle, you have definitely got this 3D undulation. Looks amazing. The second one that we've got is our flat moss that we use, which we're calling a forest bed. When you actually get the samples, if you click on the link, you're going to see that you've all got pine needles, you've got small pine cones involved. When you get the sample, it's a natural product, 100% sustainable, requires no maintenance, now on panels. So we can put that together as our forest bed wall. We now have then what we're calling the nature wall, which is a mixture of the two. So we're involving the flat moss and the bun moss into a panel. You can then put that together on a frame or on a wall and then start to have a look at that. Now look at some of these other ones that are now coming out. We have preserved plants that are going into the frame. They're creating a wild wall. This is an amazing product. We'll shortly be shooting some more videos when the samples are going to come in, so we're going to look at this in live format with you and we'll look at the panels. So don't forget to click on the notification bell when you see that. So these are preserved plants. They come out of the natural environment. They are treated in an ethical way. They have just a natural food colouring just to preserve the plant, and it's preserved in its best form. It will go on, it will last for over 10 years in its perfect preserved state, along with the mosses and the grasses. And then finally we have the grassland wall. So I'm still looking at my notes here because that's how hot off the press it is. The grassland wall then is a mixture of mosses and grasses, and what a great looking product. Imagine putting a company logo across the front of that. We're going to shoot another video of how to do that, but in the meantime, check it out, click on the notification bell, subscribe, get your samples and keep up with all these brand new products. Thanks very much.